So, today we are going to talk about how to convert any pant that you use for riding into a decent riding pant. Because while making a riding pants, there are two things for which you have to design the riding pants. One is for the impact, the other is for the slide. Now, for the slide, you need to put panels inside. Now panels you can double jeans the panel. You can cut up old jeans and stitch up, double up the panels on the hips and the knee area. That will give you some kind of protection, but the best thing is to use Kevlar. Most of the expensive riding jeans that you get have got some kind of Kevlar panels inside. So for my inserts, I had bought Komini knee inserts and Mototech ke hip inserts. You can use both Mototech also. So once you have got everything ready, you need to sit down and just put the panel on top of the knee. It's very important to sit down. And once you center it, move it slightly outside, gently outside, and then with a marking pencil, just mark all around, yeah, slightly outside. Similarly for the hips, position them at the point of impact and then take a marking pencil and mark all around so that you can see its position from the outside very clearly. Once you have marked the outline of the knee panel where you want, always do this marking while you are sitting. Don't do it while standing, because that's how this is going to be while you are sitting on your bike. Once you have marked the outlines of this, you need to take safety pin or marking pin or something like that and put it on the edges, so that once we invert the jeans, you are going to see the outline that you have marked outside on the inside, so that you can cut the panel and you can put it the way you want. So now once you have marked those pins from inside, you will be able to see pins on the outline of this thing that is going to go like this. Alright, now what you need is a buff, a sort of a stretchable buff, something you get in Decathlon for $200. This is good because it stretches. It's not firm, it has got a stretching ability. So you have to cut a panel of this size and you have to stitch it on the outlines, on the outer side, on the outlines of the pins that you might have marked. From the outside you mark the pins, so you have to stitch it alongside that. So now you have to cut it into a piece, like I've cut this already. Now there are two ways you can do this. I have stitched it from top, bottom, left, right, and I have made a slit in this through which I can slide in my knee protection. On this side, I have kept this open from top. I've also cut it, but I've kept this open from top so that I can easily slide this thing inside. And I have experimented on both and I have realized that this also works. If you keep it open from top and stitch it on three sides. Now the stretchable material is nice because it just keeps this whole thing in place. Exactly like how you did it for the knees, you need to do it for the hips. You had marked out the insert position from outside and put positioning pins. Now you can see those positioning pins from inside. Now cut a panel from the stretchable material of the buff in the shape of the insert, and then along the positioning pins just stitch it and make a slit in the center so that you can slide the panel inside. It will look something like this. Now I have put the panel inside. The panel is inside and it is very much in place. It just does not move. You can also remove these inserts if you are going for a trek or something like that. So the same riding jeans can be used for trekking. This is the riding jeans with the full panels inside. The inserts, as you can see, they are very firmly in place and at exactly the right position where they should be. Even the hips, they are at the impact points and it is not really visible from outside, so it's pretty good. This is a pretty useful pair of jeans, and I have used it personally over many rides, and I've also used it over one big long ride. Although I would not recommend it for long rides just because of the safety factor, but it is very good for city riding and weekend riding and breakfast riding and stuff like that. But it is tried and tested, and it is very good and it works. If possible, in another video I'll be showing you how to prepare it for the slide, in which you will stitch stronger panels to improve the abrasion resistance of these jeans. Hope you liked the video. If you've liked the video, please subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon for latest videos. Thank you very much.